Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing swatches on the Mood Effect collection from Glam and Glits. This first color is going to be Mud Bath. This one is one of their shimmer powders. This one is more of a brownish grayish color. Once you apply it, as you can see, I'm trying to catch the shimmer, but it does have a tad bit of a chrome look to it. You can see it better once you apply it. And then next I have Backlash. This one is also a shimmer. This one is more of a purplish blue color, and that one turns into a pinkish color once it's wet. Then we have Indi-Skies. This is one of their glitter powders. This one is very pretty. This one is a light blue and it has glitter inside. You'll see a little better later on in the video. And then next we have Hell's Angel. This one is also a glitter. I really like this one. This is one of my favorite ones out of all of them. This one's like a bright orange, and then it goes white. So pretty. Then we have Semi-Sweet. Now this is a cream color, so this one doesn't have any shimmer or glitter added to it. This one just goes from a ruby red into a bright pinkish red. And we're just going to be using our regular clear false tips. You can get these from your local nail supply stores. So let's get started. Alright, so these are the ending colors. They've all been dried. This is Glam and Glits Mood Effect collection. These colors are very pretty. You guys feel free to add videos that you would like for me to do in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.